When cutting a seam to join two sections of IVC flexible fiberglass vinyl flooring, a double cut should be made to create an invisible seam. With IVC FlexTech releasable adhesive already applied under the two sections, use a straight edge for the line where the cut will be made. Note, if you're right-handed, cut in the direction so the scraps fall to the right, and if you're left-handed, cut so the scraps fall to the left. If you cut in the other direction, puckers may form along the edge of the cut. Note, do not use a carpet knife to make this seam cut. A carpet knife blade will walk and wobble as the cut is made. Seam cuts on IVC US vinyl flooring can only be made with a professional-grade utility knife. When possible, center the cut line on the center of the grout line. Cut through both layers while keeping the blade perpendicular to the floor. When cutting the seam, never take the blade from the cut. Remove the scrap section from underneath the cut and use the seam sealer to run a slight bead along the edge of the two sections. Most of the seam sealer should squeeze out as the edges are pushed down. Wipe with a damp rag. Use a hand roller to get any excess seam sealer out of the cut line to avoid excess coming out later when walked upon. This could cause a black line to develop. Wipe clean again with a damp rag, then with a dry rag to avoid any residue left behind.